Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous classes, we discussed about introduction of trigonometry. Yes, and this chapter mainly deals with triangles and right angle triangles. Yes, so let me ask one question. What is right angle triangle? In this, whose angle is 90 degrees is known as a right angle triangle. Yes, whose angle is known as right angle triangle. See this? This is a right angle triangle because it contains its angle is 90 degrees. So it is known as a right angle triangle. Okay. Now today's topic is about Pythagoras theorem. It is about Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? The hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides is known as Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides is known as Pythagoras theorem. And what is the hypotenuse here? Which one is the hypotenuse side? What is the hypotenuse? In our class, in our previous class, I said that the side which is in a right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to the 90 degrees, nothing but this is the side which is opposite to the 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. Okay, and these two remaining are known as sides AB and BC, and here AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, now see here. Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Okay, what is hypotenuse here? AC. Which side is the hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. Means AC is the hypotenuse. Yes, see here. AC whole square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, and AC can also be written as H. Okay, H square is equal to X square plus Y square, where H is equal to under root of X square plus Y square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides is known as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is H square is equal to X square plus X square. Okay, let us do a small example on this theorem. Okay, see, this is the problem on Pythagoras theorem. What is the question? Given that AB is equal to 2, BC is 4 and find AC. Okay, they gave the two sides AB and BC. We know the value of these two sides AB and BC. We need to find the value of AC. Okay, what is the Pythagoras theorem? H square is equal to side square plus side square. Yes, in this right angle triangle, which is the hypotenuse? Nothing but AC is the hypotenuse because this is the side which is opposite to 90 degrees. Okay, see here, hypotenuse square hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Which one is the hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What's the question? Given that AB is 2. Okay, and what is BC value? That is 4. We need to find AC value. Assume AC is equal to X. Okay, just assume AC is equal to X. We already know that this is the formula, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, we need to find value of AC. Okay, what's the value of AC? X square is equal to, so the value of AB 2 square plus BC value is 4 square. See here now, x square is equal to, what is 2 square? 4. And what is 4 square? 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Yes. Then x is equal to root 20. Okay. Now what's the value of AC? That is root 20. Okay. This is the method to find out the value of AC. Nothing but hypotenuse. Okay. First we need to draw a figure, right angle triangle, and we need to write values which are given in the question. We need to find the value if we want to find the hypotenuse value. So this hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Okay, let us think that AC is equal to x. We don't know the value of AC. We need to find the value of AC. Let us assume AC as x. X square is equal to, AB value is 2 square plus another side value is 4 square. X square is equal to 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16. 4 plus 16 is 20. The value of x is under root 20. Means the value of AC is 20 root 20. Okay. So this is about today's class. In another class, we will discuss about trigonometric ratios of some special angles. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.